Hey everyone, today we're reviewing Vibe Dating App, another player in the crowded dating app market that promises authentic connections and personalized matches. But with so many dating apps turning into money traps with fake profiles, the question is Vibe legit or should you swipe left on this one? So let's get right into it. Vibe is available on both Google App and Apple App Store, which is actually a good sign. It means it's passed basic legitimacy checks. The app markets itself as focusing on genuine connections with personalized recommendations based on your interests and values. They claim to prioritize authenticity over endless swiping. Some key features. Vibe offers a free version with basic functionality, but like most dating apps, they push their premium subscription heavily. The premium features include a premium badge to stand out, unlimited likes and chats, the ability to see who liked you, and access to private photos. The app promises tailored recommendations, authentic profiles, and emphasizes privacy and security. On paper, it sounds like every other dating app out there. Here's what you need to understand about dating apps in general. First, the free version is typically very limited. You might match with people but find you can't actually message them without paying. This is a frustration tactic to push you towards premium subscriptions. Second, fake profiles and bots are a problem across all dating apps, not just smaller ones. Even established apps struggle with this. Watch for profiles with professional looking photos, vague bios, and immediate requests to move conversations off the app. These are red flags. Third, the See Who Likes You feature locked behind a paywall is a standard industry practice to drive subscriptions. It's designed to create FOMO, fear of missing out, making you wonder who's interested. Dating app premium subscriptions typically range from $10 to $40 a month, depending on the platform and duration. Before you pay, ask yourself, are you actually getting quality matches on the free version? If you're not matching with real people who respond, paying won't magically fix that. All dating apps collect significant personal data, your location, photos, preferences, and behavior patterns. Make sure you read the privacy policy and understand what they're doing with your information. Never share financial information, addresses, or other sensitive details with matches, especially early on. Be cautious if matches immediately ask you to move to another messaging app like WhatsApp or Telegram. This is often a scammer tactic. Watch out for sob stories or requests for money, no matter how genuine they seem. And if someone seems too good to be true with perfect photos and overly romantic messages right away, they probably are. Survive Dating Apps appears to be a legitimate app. It's not a scam in the sense of stealing your credit card. However, whether it's good or worth your money is a different question entirely. It's a relatively lesser known app, which means a smaller user base compared to Tinder, Bumble, or Hinge. Smaller user bases can mean fewer quality matches in your area, which makes the premium features even less valuable. You might pay for unlimited likes but have nobody to actually like. The final verdict? Yes, it's a real app. Worth it? Probably not, unless you've exhausted other options. If you're serious about online dating, stick with the more established platforms with larger user bases, like Tinder, Bumble, Hinge, or Match. They have more users, better safety features, and more transparent policies. If you do try Vibe, use the free version first for at least a month before considering premium. Never pay for features based on promises. Only pay if you're already having success with the free version. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.